Welcome to the Blockchain Hurricane, answering your questions about blockchain and crypto in under 2 minutes. Today's question, another fiendish one, is what is the intersection between blockchain and AI? Are there any interesting use cases around this? Of course, there are all sorts of interesting use cases. One of my favorites from a long, long time ago comes from the National Archive, doing some work with the University of Surrey. This is just a proof of concept, but it's worth keeping in mind for things like the provenance of photographs, particularly. I think maybe something that uses this in the future. And they used artificial intelligence to do content-aware stripping of files so they could remove formatting information and find the original content of, in this particular case, digital assets, videos that had been taken many years before and that had subsequently gone through different format changes in order to be played on different devices. So that use of AI to assist in blockchain provenance is a good one. We also see the use of artificial intelligence in decentralized finance in the same way that traditional finance is using AI tools for things like investment and the machine learning algorithms that sit underneath personalization and so on within TradFi. One that really interests me, though, is the use of decentralized physical infrastructure networks. And this is very much something that's starting to get off the ground now. The idea being that we can have a decentralized model for things like file storage, internet access, energy use. And we've seen examples of this with World Mobile's internet work, with Filecoin and their distributed archives, with even microgrids going back for several years, where everything is done by tokenization incentives and by smart contracts. The most interesting one that I want you to look out for is distributed artificial intelligence, where the processing power is distributed across multiple nodes and giving us the chance of incredibly powerful AI in the future.